All right, second graders, today in math, we are going to work on lesson 12.3, and it starts on page 705. After today's lesson, you'll be able to say, I can estimate measures and use tools to measure the length and height of objects to the nearest inch, foot, and yard. All right, so solve and share. Which objects in the classroom, we can't go to the classroom, so we're going to look around our houses. Which objects in our houses are about 1 inch, about 1 foot, and about 1 yard? Okay, so I wanted to remind you that these little orange squares are an inch. Another way to estimate about what an inch is, if you put your fingers like this, your finger up here from knuckle to knuckle is about an inch. Okay, so see how this is about an inch? All right, so this is about an inch, these squares, an inch. A foot is what most of our rulers are. All the rulers in our classroom, these red ones we get from the fire department all the time, these are 1 foot. They're 12 inches. And a yardstick, a yard, is 3 feet. So if I took 3 of these, I would make a yardstick. And I don't even know if I can back up far enough for you to see my whole yardstick. Okay, so a yardstick is 3 feet. 3 feet is a yard, so 36 inches. So I want you to, maybe you have these tools at your house. If you do, you could take one, a ruler, or you probably don't have an inch, but if you take your ruler and you look between the 0 and the 1, that's 1 inch. So if you find something in your house that's about this long, that's an inch. I looked around before I started this video, and I found that one of my little safety pins is an inch. Okay, so I am not going to attempt to draw a safety pin with my computer mouse, but I'm going to type it here, safety pin. All right, and then something that I found that is about a foot. As I was looking in the drawer for safety pins, I saw this 3-hole punch. Oops, I just made a big mess. I saw this 3-hole punch and I thought that looks like it's about a foot. And when I held it up like this, I've got hole punches falling all over the table here. I saw that they are about the same. So this 3-hole punch is a foot. So my 3-hole punch is a foot. And then let me show you what I found that's a yard. Okay, so over here in our living room, we've got this ottoman that we just have in our living room to put our feet on or whatever. And I found that this, when I used this yardstick and I put it from one end to the other, this ottoman is about a yard. Okay, so I would type in ottoman there. Okay, so you look around your houses and try to find something that is about 1 inch, about a foot, and about a yard. If you don't have a yardstick at your house, maybe try to find something that's 3 feet.